Hi there, today I want to inspire you to reupholster your mid-century dining chairs. This is today's chair we're going to do. This is a mid-century chair from a German company called Wilcom. The designer was Leowald, and as you can see it's a little bit kaput. So I've turned the chair on its head, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the staples that are in the leather on the bottom. I'm not going to throw the leather away straight away. I'm going to use it as a pattern so I can cut out the new piece of leather for the new chair. So on this leather we mark the back of it so that we know which way round the leather's got to go. That's important for when we're cutting out the other piece of leather. This is my new piece of leather. I've gone for a nice turquoise colour and I've gone for real leather. Now you could also use artificial leather. You have to make sure it's 2.5mm thick. My problem here is this leather is just 1.2mm thick, so it's not actually thick enough. A more thicker leather was so expensive that it just wasn't worth it. So what I've decided to do is I've brought a backing to go on it that's also over 1mm thick, so that it's going to stick on. It sticks automatically. It's got a sticky side on it which has to be ironed on to the back of the leather. The backing is from Decovil, and like I said before, it's self-adhesive. So I'm going to cut that out first to fit exactly onto my leather. Then I'm going to iron it, and once I've finished ironing it, I can take the old leather, place it on top, look that it's all down, and cut it out to the exact shape of my pattern. So I'm sorry guys about the sound, something went wrong. So I'm actually explaining you now that you could actually do any repairs to the chair you've got to do before actually taking the chair, putting it on top of the leather, and then taking the staple gum and stapling it into position. Now our chair's nearly finished, but before I show you the chair, what it looks like, I'd just like to tell you to look at the info card up here and take a look at the leather chairs, the other 5 leather chairs that we did last time. Perhaps you haven't seen that video. You can see then how we did all the leather and polished it and brought the leather back to life again. So now we're going to show you the chair and what it looks like. As you can see, it's in a beautiful turquoise colour. It's just a modern twist to it. And we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time. Ciao, ciao.